Are you looking for the top 5 corded and cordless electric tillers for easy gardening? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 corded and cordless electric tillers for easy gardening on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Electric Tiller for Gardening 380 RPM. Task Star 2025 New Garden Gift for your loved ones. Gifts for dad, gifts for men. Task Star Next Generation Exclusive Corded Electric Tiller perfect for breaking ground, tending soil, mixing compost, and aerating gardens. 100% suitable for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Unmatched power and efficiency. The 13.5 amp electric rototiller delivers an uprated 380 RPM, ensuring deep and thorough soil cultivation. With an 18-inch working width and a tilling depth of 9 inches, it maximizes coverage and efficiency, making it perfect for preparing garden beds, aerating soil, and mixing compost with ease. Heavy-duty steel tines effortlessly slice soil for maximum performance. Engineered with 6 PCS heavy-duty performance and rust-resistant blades, TH4500 Garden Tiller Cultivator ensures smooth and consistent soil breaking, tilling, and composting, delivering professional-grade results every time. 3 adjustable height settings. Customize your tilling experience with 3 height settings, providing flexibility for various soil types and conditions. Additionally, the sturdy wheels ensure smooth mobility, making it easy to maneuver across your garden space-saving foldable design. The compact, foldable design allows for easy storage in your shed or garage. Keep your 18-inch electric cultivator within reach, ready to tackle any gardening task at a moment's notice. Number 2. 18-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator. Take the hard work out of gardening with the 18-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator, a powerful and eco-friendly solution for breaking ground and preparing soil. Designed with both performance and convenience in mind, this electric tiller is perfect for small to medium-sized gardens, flower beds, and vegetable patches. Equipped with a robust 15-amp motor, it delivers reliable power to cut through compacted dirt, clay, and tough roots without the need for gas, fumes, or messy maintenance. The 18-inch tilling width covers more ground in less time, while the adjustable depth of up to 8 inches ensures optimal soil aeration for planting. With 6 durable steel tines, this cultivator is built to tackle heavy-duty soil preparation, from loosening hard-packed ground to mixing in compost and fertilizer. The ergonomic handles and lightweight design make it easy to maneuver, while the Instant Start feature ensures quick, hassle-free operation. Plus, its foldable design allows for convenient storage and transport when not in use. Whether you're preparing a new garden bed or revitalizing old soil, the 18-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator makes yard work faster, easier, and more efficient, helping you achieve a thriving garden with less effort. Number 3. 18-inch 13.5-amp tiller/cultivator with 6 steel tines. This electric garden tiller boasts an 18-inch cultivation width, allowing you to cover more ground in less time, boosting efficiency. With an 8-inch tilling depth, it effectively loosens and processes soil, breaking it up for better planting. The powerful 13.5A copper motor, no-load speed 360 RPM. It delivers robust performance and high efficiency. The rototiller can handle large areas of soil or tough ground. Easy to finish work in 30 minutes. Equipped with an overload protection system, it automatically shuts off if it is obstructed, preventing damage and extending its lifespan. Garden cultivator tool with a double safe feature, safety button, and over-temperature protection not only keep human people safe, but also keep the machine safe. With a long life, electric rototiller with a humanized design, just press the safety button and switch while working. Weighing just 27.87 pounds, this electric cultivator tiller can be easily lifted with one hand. The foldable handle makes transportation and storage a breeze. These thoughtful details enhance its practicality, convenience, and comfort. Number 4. Lawn Master TE1016M Electric Tiller 10-amp. The Lawn Master TE1016M Electric Tiller is the perfect tool for gardeners who want power, efficiency, and ease of use in one compact design. With its 10-amp motor, this tiller provides reliable performance to effortlessly break through compact soil, clay, and even tangled roots. preparing your garden beds for planting in no time. Featuring a 16-inch width and an adjustable depth of up to 8 inches, the TE1016M is ideal for loosening soil, mixing in compost, or refreshing old beds. Its 6 sturdy steel blades ensure durability and efficiency, making it well-suited for both first-time gardeners and experienced landscapers. Designed with user comfort in mind, the ergonomic handle offers a secure grip for better control, while the lightweight frame makes it easy to maneuver across your yard. Thanks to its electric power design, you can enjoy quiet operation, zero emissions, and no messy gas or oil maintenance. The Instant Start system gets you working quickly with just a push of a button. When finished, the tiller's foldable handle allows for convenient storage and transport. Compact yet powerful, the Lawn Master TE1016M electric tiller is your go-to solution for cultivating healthy, nutrient-rich soil and maintaining a beautiful garden. Number 5. Tiller Cultivator 17-inch 15-amp 6 steel tines tillers for gardening. Transform your gardening experience with a 17-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator, a powerful and reliable tool built to handle tough soil preparation with ease. Whether you're starting a new garden, maintaining flower beds, or revitalizing compacted soil, this electric rototiller delivers exceptional performance for all your gardening needs. Powered by a high-efficiency 15-amp motor, it generates the torque needed to break through dense soil, clay, and tangled roots without the fumes or hassle of gas-powered equipment. The 17-inch tilling width allows you to cover more ground in less time, while the 8-inch adjustable tilling depth ensures thorough soil aeration for healthier root growth. Equipped with 6 heavy-duty steel tines, this tiller is designed for durability and maximum efficiency, making it perfect for mixing compost, fertilizer, and other soil amendments. Its ergonomic handles and lightweight, balanced design make it easy to maneuver, while the Instant Start system offers quick, hassle-free operation at the push of a button. When the job is done, the foldable handle provides convenient storage and transport, saving you space in your shed or garage. The 17-inch 15-amp electric tiller cultivator is the ideal tool to make soil preparation faster, easier, and more effective for a thriving garden.